to Salt That Ham and win by Salt Papi.
You know, maybe Bruckner should be more aggressive. Should he be trying way too stiff? All he needs. Shot from the distance.
Shout bike, you bike clean.
You know, he's finding the southpaw
volume. He needs to be landing in combination.
The uppercut! What a shot! What a win!
It was power, and tonight.
Kumusta at welcome back sa ating channel. Isang Pinoy YouTuber at influencer ang sumisikat ngayon maging sa mundo ng boxing. Walang iba kundi sina Taniel Bustamante o mas kilala bilang Super Salt Papi. Si Salt Papi ay may edad sa kasalukuyan na 30, may taas na 5'8", isang southpaw at lumalaban sa light heavyweight division at tubong Candelaria, Quezon. Ang magulang ni Salt Papi ay parehong Pinoy at naninirahan sa United Kingdom. Sa kasalukuyan si Salt Papi ay may 5.4 million followers sa TikTok at 1.1 million sa Instagram at mahigit 600,000 subscribers sa YouTube. Dahil sa hilig nitong manood ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao, ay 10 years old pa lang si Salt Papi ay kinahiligan na nito ang boxing.
So how did you get Salt Papi into boxing?
I don't know. He's always watching, because we're always watching Manny Pacquiao fight, so that's why maybe.
Final 10 seconds of round one and high five.
Kaya taong 2022 nang pasukin ni Salt Papi ang boxing sa tulong at suporta ng kanyang pamilya, lalo na ang kanyang ama bilang kanyang trainer. Samantala August 2022 nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang hambog at maangas na Canadian boxer na si Andy Warski.
Really? First round?
Yeah, that's my plan.
Buddy, come on, bro. Not even close. No one thinks I will win.
London, you're going down. You hear me? And yeah, I'm gonna smash him tomorrow.
Dito pinakita ng Pinoy ang angas nito sa taas ng ring nang in-knockout nito ang Canadian boxer sa loob lang ng 20 seconds sa unang round.
The black Andy Warski.
Incorrect. How about Salt Papi?
Philippines.
Expect a lot of showboating from Salt Papi.
Is the real deal. The Philippines celebrate. 1, 2, 3, light them up.
I'm interested to hear Chris Eubanks Jr. got his name after posting videos of himself pouring salt from above his shoulder like Salt Bae, and he just filled him up with some right.
Panalo si Salt Papi via first round knockout. Samantala taong 2023 nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang mas matangkad at maskuladong Amerikano na si Joshua Bruckner. Sa laban ng dalawa pinaglaruan lang ni Salt Papi ang Amerikano.
Maybe Bruckner should be more aggressive. Should he be trying to out?
Papi told him he was too slow, then 8-1 to the body. Chop staying composed, but that's too much. Too much room.
I'm sorry, Wade, but Bruckner just being way too stiff.
All he needs. Shot. But he has to follow up.
At sa round 2 dito ni-knockout ng Pinoy ang Amerikano.
Longer fighter should be touching Papi from the distance.
What a shot!
Man!
Panalo si Salt Papi via second round knockout. Samantala, May 11, 2024, nang harapin ni Salt Papi ang Polish boxer na si Amadeus Roslik o mas kilala bilang Amadeus Ferrari. Sa paghaharap ng dalawa ay minalait nito ang Pinoy at parang gusto pang lamunin ng buo ang ating pambato. Ngunit binugbog at pinasuko lang ng Pinoy ang Polish boxer. Sa pagsimula ng round 1 ay bakbakan na agad ang dalawa.
He loads up big time, and obviously that leads you into falling into traps.
Salt Papi! Can bring him in the corner. He has gotten underneath. you saw Poppy's skin. Oh! Physicality from Ferrari.
It's similar to the Josh Bruckner fight where Salt Poppy caught him. Oh my God, Salt Poppy's in serious trouble.
He's smiling though.
I'll tell you what, you can keep smiling. You can't take too many more of these.
He's got that same look in his eye. Oh my.
Salt Poppy needs to move his feet. The thing about Ferrari is he's used to fighting 5-minute rounds. Oh, and he's dangerous, Ferrari.
Ferrari slumped down. Wow. Maybe it was a punch on the inside.
You see these MMA guys when you're a clever boxer.
Poppy is cut. Amadeus went down. This is the longest boxing bout. It's getting clipped. Poppy trying to run down Ferrari.
Salt Poppy who's covered in blood around his chest now.
Oh, but look at Salt Poppy trying to time the left straight.
It's not easy though, because this guy's leading with his head. It's dangerous actually.
He's trying to grind his head into the second point.
He is, he's doing it. Yeah. He is doing it. He's leading with the head deliberately.
Well, Ferrari's looking his head into the other man's open wound.
I'm actually worried this guy might go full him to sort of dominate this fight.
Oh, did catch him. He's just itching to throw that right hand. There it is. Oh. Even with the cut, I mean, he is unfazed. And Ferrari almost went through the ropes, staggering to left. Now they're swinging. And there's your takedown.
He's got one speed, this guy. 100%. Salt Poppy. That's what we want to see.
It's like he's locking in. Salt Poppy's figured in. The optics when he gets hit, they just don't look good. Ferrari doesn't take
for punches like a boxer should. He's yet cannot be killed. And this guy has stole the show this week tonight.
Salt Poppy mixing it up in the corner.
Oh, wow.
Incredible.
He's giving him a chance. Those long-range shots, those straight shots that he knocked out Josh Bruckner with, they're the safe place for him. This isn't safe.
Ferrari clearing time, unless he can land one of these big, wild shots.
Oh, he's going to get him. And he goes for takedown. Brilliant. This guy, come on now.
That's a great three. He's tearing him apart. This is a dissection from Super Salt.
Naturally tired as well, to be fair.
What's he doing? Oh.
Taking a point.
Yeah, misfits with little gas tank.
Matapos ang round 3 ay di na tumayo at umayaw na nga ito sa laban. Panalo si Salt Poppy via third round referee technical decision. Samantala, July 7, 2024 ay muling napalaban si Salt Poppy na ginanap sa Coca-Cola Arena sa Dubai na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Turkish boxer na si Dawood Termisi o mas kilala bilang Dawood Savage. Sa laban ng dalawa ay di kinayanan ang lakas ng Pinoy. 3 beses pinaluhod ang Turkish boxer at tinapos ng Pinoy sa loob lang ng unang round.
Trim. And automatically we see Salt Poppy take the center of the ring as he starts to dominate with jabs and crosses.
Nice stance, southpaw by Salt Poppy. Salt Poppy is going forward only.
Poppy's just asking him, come on, come in.
Ooh.
Nice body shots there.
No, it's done. Body shot. Oh, body shot. I don't think he can come out of this. Ooh, he hit it so hard. His kidney decided to have some salt and pepper.
He's got a 7, 8. He's going to continue.
Yes, he wants to continue.
He's going to continue reluctantly, but I think Poppy just smells blood now. He's toying with him at this moment. He can finish it.
You know, Savage is no Savage.
He can definitely finish it if he wants to here.
But that was sheer power, by the way. A beautiful body shot that we haven't seen a lot of body shots this evening, Adi.
I totally disagree with you. It's all been about body shots. But I think he's done, man. I think that first body shot took it out of him.
6, 7, 8. You know the 3 knockdown
rule
is in effect, right? So if he gets one more time down,
He's going to finish it right now.
Yeah.
I mean, he should.
Let's see if another body shot coming in his way. And Salt Papi did not break a sweat, Ali.
Not even. But just complete different levels here. You know?
That's a 3 knockdown rule.
That's going to hurt, man. That's going to hurt.
Panalo si Salt Papi by a 4th round technical knockout. Samantala, muling napalaban at dumayo si Salt Papi sa Doha, Qatar, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang British boxer na si Kenny Ojewederi o mas kilala bilang King Kenny. May record itong 5 wins, 3 knockouts, habang si Salt Papi ay may record na 5 wins, 5 knockouts. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinatunayan ng Pinoy ang lakas ng kamao nito nang in-knockout nito ang British boxer.
KSI, you talked about the body work when you're facing a southpaw kick.
Both these fighters trying to figure it out, but Kenny that lead foot on the outside.
Kenny has some luck there. Kenny's trying to put on the pressure.
The difference in the strength of both of these fighters.
You know, he's finding the southpaw fight.
More volume. He needs to be landing in combinations.
It's one show! Got a superstar! That's it! Here in Qatar, JJ.
Uppercut! What a shot! What a win!
It was power, it was consistency, and tonight in the co-main, it was all.
Panalo si Salt Papi by a 3rd round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.